Ultra beats on the track.
Purchase your tracks today.
We invite you all to explore their work.
To everyone present here, respected dignitaries on the dais, our esteemed chief guest of today's event, Shri T.G. Sitharam Sir, Chairman of AICTE.
Very good morning to all of you. I'm very happy to be here and inaugurate the Cambrian open house. Whatever he has said, Bill Gates has said, has become true. He talks about it everywhere he goes.
Chairman of AICTE, Dr. Sitharam sir, and our advisor, Subramanian, our CEO and dear principal and all the faculty members of this institution and my dear.
Good afternoon, everyone.